All right, welcome to 2.4, and our first video to help you out is with problem 8a, and we're on page 114. Now, in the problem, what you're being asked to do on page 114 is to write a compound inequality using the information, which is a couple pages back, from problem 6, okay? So they're giving you this layout where if you buy a certain amount of stuff, there's a shipping fee. And this is real typical. If you shop online, you get this, okay? If you spend this much money, it costs this much. If you spend a little more, it costs this much. A lot of websites will give you free shipping if you get to a certain point, okay? Now, the layout here is that if you spend anything, a penny, up to and including 20 bucks, you get charged $6.50. So what does that look like as a compound inequality? Well, let's just say we don't know how much we're spending. We're spending somewhere between these two numbers. So we're going to say that's x, okay? Now, the number x is bigger than 0.0. So it's bigger than that. So x is bigger than 0.01, all right? And it can be as large as 20, all right? But it can't be bigger. So x has to be smaller, notice the pointy end going into the x, smaller than 20. Now it could also be 20, up to and including 20, so that means you put the equal sign. So our compound inequality is going to look like 0.01, x is bigger than
May I
that.
have your attention, please? We will be holding student leadership meeting in room 8 at 10:30 a.m.
And it's got to be smaller than or equal to 20. Next example, more than 20 up to and including 50. So it's $9. So x, the amount that we're spending, has to be more than 20. Okay, so x is bigger than $20 and equal to or less than 50. And if x is in that range, then you're getting charged $9. Last one to help you out, between 50 and 75. So again, let's make it a value of x, okay? We don't know how much we're spending, but it's x, like my little striped x there. So between 50 and 75, so it's got to be bigger than 75. I'm sorry, bigger than 50, my mistake. Bigger than 50, I'm going to erase the charge, which is $11. It's bigger than 50, but less than 75, because it's between those numbers. It's not equal to 75 or 50, it's between the two of them. And that's that. So hopefully that helps you out as you're working on problem 8a on page 114.